ready to transform your ordinary photos into captivating visual stories. First, create a new document. Go to File, New, and choose your desired dimensions. A square format often works well for collage. Now, import the images you want to include in your collage. Simply drag and drop them directly into your Photoshop workspace. Each image will appear on its own layer. Resize and reposition your images to create an initial layout. Use the Move tool to drag them around, and the Transform controls to adjust their size and rotation. Don't be afraid to overlap images for a more dynamic effect. To blend images seamlessly, use Layer Mask. Select a layer. Click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then, with a soft brush and black as your foreground color, paint on the mask to hide portions of the image, creating smooth transitions. Enhance the overall look of your collage with adjustment layers. Add brightness, contrast, color balance, or other adjustments to unify the colors and tones of your images. Create these layers by clicking the Create New Fill or Adjustment Layer icon at the bottom. Experiment with blending modes to create unique effects. Select a layer and try different blending modes like Multiply, Screen, or Overlay. These modes can dramatically change how the layers interact with each other. Add text or graphic elements to further personalize your collage. Use the Type tool to add text, and then customize the font, size, and color. Consider adding a subtle drop shadow for depth. And there you have it, a stunning photo collage created entirely in Photoshop. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep experimenting with different techniques to find your own style.